Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In the previous videos, I talked about the gap between theory and reality and why tuning is necessary. Today, I want to explain how control systems are actually structured in practice, focusing on feed-forward and feedback. In control theory, we often focus on feedback control. The idea is simple. We measure the error between the target and the actual output and use it to correct the system. This approach is powerful and it forms the foundation of control system design. However, in many real systems, the structure is slightly different. Actually, feed-forward control is often used to determine the main behavior of the system, and feedback control is used to correct errors and ensure stability. In other words, they have different roles. Feedforward works well when we can predict how the system should behave. For example, if the target is known in advance, we can calculate the required input directly. This allows faster response because we don't have to wait for an error to occur. Feedback control still plays an important role. It helps correct model errors, reject disturbances, and maintain stability. So even if feedforward handles most of the behavior, feedback is essential. This also explains why relatively simple controllers like PID are often used in practice. Since feedback is mainly used for correction, we don't always need very complex control laws. Instead, simplicity and reliability become more important. So the key idea is this: feed-forward handles the main behavior, while feedback corrects errors and ensures stability. Both are essential, but they play different roles in real systems. Thanks for watching. I hope this gives some insight into real-world control engineering.